Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. Today we're going to demonstrate how to fold an 8-sided graduated program template printed on a tabloid size paper. The tabloid size measures 11 by 17 and is the largest graduated program template available at our online superstore. The 8-sided graduated program reveals 3 tabs on the right side, which are accomplished with an offset fold. This is printed on 2 sheets of paper and held together by 2 center staples along the fold. Our large tabloid graduated program provides ample space for your text and photos. Let's begin by printing your program on 2 sheets of paper printed front and back. For now, set the page with the front cover aside. Start by placing the center of your program inner page face up. Fold from left to right until you get to the left part of the color bar. Fold your paper so it reveals the right bar in a graduated or offset fashion. Next, take the page with your front cover and flip it over. Slide the inner page you just folded and set it up against the left side of the bar, which now reveals 3 tabs. Fold the left side of the sheet over the top of the inner page to show your front cover. Your program is now complete and folded in a graduated presentation. It is now ready to place your 2 center staples to keep the pages intact. The center staples are optional but recommended. The program was printed with a white border. You can also print it with a borderless or full bleed by trimming the white border prior to folding. This graduated funeral program design was created with our ready-made template available for immediate download, along with many other types of layouts only available at the-funeral-program-site.com.